tool to help public health track transmission of the coronavirus, and now some businesses are trying to help. KSBY News reporter Sydney BRANDT is live in San Luis Obispo with the latest on how the process works here in San Luis Obispo County. Sydney?
CARINA Public Health Officer Penny Borenstein says contact tracing is one of the most powerful tools for controlling an infectious disease.
Contact tracing is done by public health investigators with a goal to identify who could be a likely transmission source of coronavirus. Dr. Penny Borenstein says it's fully confidential.
Once we identify those individuals who are contacts, we are in communication with them. We tell the case that we'll be reaching out to those people completely privately. We never name who the source is.
And the criteria to be considered a contact is very specific.
And by close contact, I mean a period of a minimum of 15 minutes in direct relationship to the person, within the 6-foot distance.
The health department says contact does not include walking past someone in a grocery store unless someone is actively coughing or sneezing on you. And some businesses in San Luis Obispo have already implemented their own measures to ensure guidelines are followed outside of the county's recommendations. Sky Nails in San Luis Obispo has waivers for patients to sign before their visit, agreeing not to hold the business accountable for any sort of predicament or situation while receiving service.
I feel very comfortable. Actually, I want to work with the city, and actually I look forward for the city to come in, because even I follow all the rules, but still this is more for the health of both customer and our employee and myself.
And other businesses like Stephen Ross Wine Cellar says because of the high demand and low seating capacity, reservations are required. So they already have information about customers before they walk through the door.
That is a good idea because we do get everybody's phone number as part of the reservations, so it would not be difficult to contact them.
So while the county says they're not putting any responsibility onto local businesses for contact tracing, many have already stepped up to be prepared.
And the county public health says that for those who do receive a call regarding contact tracing, to comply with the request. Live in San Luis Obispo, Sydney BRANDT, KSBY News.
All right, thank you, Sydney. The San Luis Obispo County Public Health says that this tool is not something new and has been used for other disease transmission data gathering, such as tuberculosis and identifying foodborne outbreaks.